Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Audi A4 B8 headlights. First, you will need to prepare your vehicle by moving the front bumper into the service position. This crucial step creates the necessary space to access the headlight units. You'll begin by removing various fasteners from the bumper and wheel arch areas. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper forward by approximately 2 to 3 inches, providing ample room to work safely and efficiently. Now, let's get into the specifics of the bumper fasteners. You'll start by locating and removing 3 Torx T30 screws positioned along the top edge of the grille. Next, move to the wheel arch liners. Behind each, you will find and unscrew one 8mm bolt, totaling 2. Finally, look underneath the bumper to remove 2 10mm bolts. These steps ensure the bumper is sufficiently loosened for the next stage. With the bumper in the service position, you can now access the headlight unit's specific fasteners. Each headlight is held in place by 3 Torx T30 screws. You'll find 2 of these screws conveniently located on the top of the headlight unit. The third screw is situated on the side, becoming visible once the bumper is slightly pulled forward. After removing these, carefully disconnect the main electrical connector from the rear of the headlight assembly. Finally, with all fasteners removed and the electrical connector disconnected, you can now gently pull the headlight unit straight out from its housing. Take care to ensure that no wires are snagged or damaged during this process. Once the unit is free, you have successfully removed it. Remember, when it's time to reinstall, simply reverse these steps, making sure all connections are secure and the unit is properly seated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.